Up YouTube, I've got another unboxing, and I'll be unboxing the HP 15.6 inch 0.5 inch laptop unboxing. Okay, and I bought this about 1 hour ago from the shop in Birmingham, UK city centre. This is the first time I've bought an HP laptop, because I normally buy Toshiba. I'm a big fan of Toshiba laptop, so I decided to take a gamble and go for something different. As I said, it's a HP 15.6 inch laptop. Specification: 1 terabyte. I'll put it on the table. 1 terabyte. You got 4 gigabyte of RAM, 5.5 battery life. It is also Intel Pentium N3540 quad core processor. It has got 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 0.0 port, 1 HDMI port. Also, it's got a writable DVD drive, because I know people like to watch movies, and you know, people like to burn CD for personal use. And it's quite light as well. It's a nice color, purple. I'm just gonna pan it round so you can have a look. See the HP logo? Let me just pan it round so you can have a quick look at it. Plus show you the bottom. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. What does it come with inside here? What is this? This is HP worldwide telephone numbers. I don't think that's going to be much use to me, but you never know. Also comes with a setup instructions, just like a quick start. And what else does it come with? It comes with you got your receipts, or guarantee, whatever you want to call it. And we've got the battery. That's the laptop HP battery. Put it there. And you have also got the power. Got the power lead. And the charger to charge up the laptop. And that's it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give it a test and see if it's faster than my old Toshiba laptop, which I believe it should be faster. The specifications are better than my old Toshiba laptop. So I've got to say to my old Toshiba laptop, rest in peace. And thank you for listening and watching. Catch you guys later.